This presentation is about regression. Regression is a set of statistical processes for estimating the relationship among variables. We have typically a dependent variable, outcome variable, or target, and a set of independent variable, predictor, covariates, or features. We may have simple regression or multivariate regression. We may estimate a linear or a nonlinear model. According to our problem, we may also have other shapes, specific shapes like exponential, like logistics, linear, quadratic, and so on. Regression that having binary dependent variable in its form uses a logistic function to model a binary dependent variable. Decision tree builds classification or regression models in the form of a tree structure. It breaks down a data set into smaller and smaller subsets, while at the same time an associated decision trees is incrementally developed. The final result is a tree with decision nodes and leaf nodes. Random forests are an ensemble learning method for classification, regression, and other tasks. It operates by constructing a multitude of decision trees at training time, outputting the class that is made of the classes classification or means prediction regression of the decision trees. Python supplies several interesting libraries that may be used in order to support regressions like scikit-learn and SATS models.